welcome back. Once you create your new binder, you will see that there will be several tabs already in there, and it's very easy to add additional tabs by going on the upper left corner and clicking on the plus sign by the tab icon. So every time I click, I get a new tab. And while you're in any one tab, you can create subtabs by clicking on the upper left side. Click on the subtab. Notice you're getting several subtabs now. Every time you click, you get one. And the wedge is under this one, so the subtabs are under that as well. So if I click on the other one, notice there are no subtabs there. So do you see the possibilities? You know, each of the tabs could be a chapter, each of the subtabs could be sections or the materials you normally hand out to your students in the classroom. You know, lots of paper. This way you just provide the link and they can maybe even open it on their phones or look at it at home and so forth. Now let's actually create a binder here. So the very first one, you can click on the tab itself, click on it again to edit the title. I'll call it Introduction. So here you can explain what the binder is going to be about. The second one, I will call it Chapter 1. The next one, I'll call Chapter 2, and so forth. Okay. Now we can start adding some content. So I will go to Chapter 1, click on Create a Subtab on the top with the plus sign, and the subtab will be Handout number 1. A typical handout that you might give to your students. And let's start by uploading a PDF document, which I think is the best type in terms of Word versus PDF. PDF should be preferred, and I'll show you why. So to upload something, click on the top, Add Content, upload a file, select the file from your computer, and then click on Open once you find the file, and click on Upload. The file should be shown on the background, and you can easily verify it that it's uploaded. So that's our first file, PDF. Let's add another subtab, and this time let's try to add a PowerPoint. So I'll call this one PowerPoint handout, and once again click on Add Content at the top and upload a file. Select the file from your computer. I'm going to select Into the Graphing and click on Open and then Upload. Looks like I've uploaded that before, but never minding that. So there is a PowerPoint. And let's upload one more file before we go and look at everything from the presenter's view. So let's create one more subtab. So if you want the subtab to be next to this one, first click on that and then click on Add a Subtab. Okay, so it comes as a new subtab, title it. Let's say this one's going to be a Word document, so I can show you what that looks like. A Word document handout. Okay, same steps. Go to Add Content and delete the previous entry and browse. So this time it's going to be a Word document. Click on Open and Upload. Okay, so now I'm going to close this window and let's see what everything we have uploaded so far looks like from the students or the users point of view. So up here you're going to go to View, Present, and I like to see them with side tabs, so click on Side Tabs. So this is how your students will view the document or the e-binder. Introduction, at the moment we have nothing in there, it's a blank page. Chapter 1, we just added 3 subtabs. Let's start with the PowerPoint handout. Okay, notice the PowerPoint is loaded right away, and you can go from page to page by using the arrow keys. I'm using the right arrow key to scroll from page to page. And if you hold your cursor near the bottom of the page, you get your typical icons for a PDF document where they can zoom in, they can zoom out, they can change pages, save and print and so forth. So that's the PowerPoint document. Again, going page to page has a nice view. Second, we have a handout. The handout was a PDF document. Notice it's uploaded right away. And third, we uploaded a Word document. Notice how the Word document is uploaded. It's a link. You have to download this link. So if you click on it, it's going to give you a chance to download it or to open it, but it doesn't load it right away as you click on this sub-tab. It just takes a few more steps. So it's better if you can upload a PDF document, and also if your students don't have the same Word, Microsoft Office or the same software, they're going to have a hard time opening that document. There it is. It's been opened. As you can see, it was several steps to get to this point. And I should note that the PowerPoint that we uploaded was first converted to PDF. Otherwise, you would have to go through the same steps as we went through the Word document. You will have to click on it, download it, or open it. Whereas if you can first convert anything to a PDF, such as a PowerPoint, if you do PDF first, it uploads immediately when you click on the tab. In the next segment, we will take a look at how to upload or embed a YouTube video.